Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I need to prove about this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cotang A, that is about cosine 8 over sine 8. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Similar for this one and this one. This is about cotang B. So this one that is about this one. This one that is about cosine B over sine B. This one that is about cosine C over sine C. So sine A, sine B, and sine C will go to numerator. Next, this one will multiply by cotang A, cotang B, cotang C, and we know that cotang A that is about cosine A over sine 8. This one that's about cosine B over sine B. This is about cosine C over sine C. So sine A, sine B, sine C multiplied by this one. So sine A simplifies sine A. So you got cosine A. Now similar for the next one. And the next one. Next, we can do about factorization by sine C and sine C. So negative number 1 go in here. So if we look carefully, this one that is about sine A plus B. And the next one, we have the second formula in here. That is about A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. Because they are in triangle ABC. So we have A plus B. This is about this one. So I will put C go to the right. So I will put this one go in here. Now we have the next formula. That is about sine of A minus B equals to sine A cosine B minus cosine A sine B. So we can apply this one go in here. And that should be like this. So sine A cosine C minus cosine of 180 degrees sine C. So sine 180 degrees, that is about number 0 in here. This one, that is about negative number 1. So negative and negative, we have positive. So this one we have side C. So side C, that is about side C square. Now, about number 1 in here, we can put like this. So I will put this one go in here. Now, side C square minus side C square, they cancel. So we just have negative cosine C square. Now we have cosine C, and cosine C. We simplify. Now we put cosine A, cosine B go to the right. Now we need to put this one go to the right. Now we need to prove that this one equals to negative cosine C. This one that is about cosine of A plus B. And we know that A plus B, that is about 180 degrees minus C. And now that should be like this. So cosine of 180 degrees, that is about negative number 1. The next one, that is about number 0. So we can see that we got negative cosine C, and this one negative cosine C, and so we can say that this is about proof. This is the end. Thank you for watching.